Okay, let's say that something with value that is less than 10 we're gonna consider small, and something with value that is less than 30 we will consider to be but less than 30 but above 10, then we will consider to be medium, and the value between 30 and 50 we consider large, and so on and so forth, and value above 10 and below 150 will be enormous, and everything that is bigger than 150 will be also enormous. Okay, also everything that is smaller than 10, even negative numbers, will be small in this case. So how we do this? Let's talk like this. Let's take some number. Let's say that this number will be smaller than 10, and we're gonna initialize it to, let's say, 5. What should we print in this case? We should print the number is small, right? Stem.out print the number is small. Okay, let's run this. So great, the number is 5 and the number is small. We thought that everything that is less than 10 will be small, but what will gonna happen if we say that the number is 15? Well, the app says that the number is small. Instead, it should say that the number is medium. How do we make this work? We do this with if statements. If the number is smaller than 10, then we will print the number is small. Else, if number is smaller than 30, we're gonna say that the number is medium. Okay, let's try it out. Yeah, and we'll say 5 again. The number is small, right? 5 is small and 15 is medium. But what we say 50, that's above, is 55. This should be considered to be large. Whoops, we don't have anything. Why? Because we didn't code this yet. Also, what will happen if the number is 10? What do you think? What should the app print in this case? It prints that it's medium. Why? Because 10 is not less than 10. Okay? If we want 10 to be considered to be a small number, okay, we need to do this. Less or equal. Now it's small. Okay? But we're gonna work like this. We're gonna consider that the number of 10 is into the medium area. Okay? It's medium. So the number 13 should fall into the large area. So we haven't coded yet. So it's 50. Number is large, and 100. Whoops. And 150. The number is enormous. Turn now. The number is large. Say 130. The number is enormous because it's above 100. Everything above 100 is enormous. Also everything above 150 will be still enormous, right? Let's try it. Nope. What is here wrong? What do you think? How are we gonna solve this? Well, we can solve like this. Just like this. So, the number is smaller than 10. We're gonna print that the number is smaller than 100, but it's bigger than 50. Then here this will be executed. But if the number is even bigger than the 100, this will be printed no matter what. So the number is enormous. In 150 also, let's like this, right? Still enormous. 100, what's it gonna be? Is the 100 less than 100? What do you think? No, so it will be enormous. See, it's enormous. If you want to consider that 100 is extra large, then you should do this. Now 100 will be extra large and 101 will be enormous. Let's try it out. Extra large, 101, enormous. Let's return it. So extra large, everything between 50 and 100. Extra large, everything below 100, above 50. Extra large, everything above 100, enormous. Everything above 150, still enormous, right? Okay, still enormous. Okay, that's our example of if-else statements.